What's the meaning of bootlace tie? Bootlace tie. Bootlace tie.
Bootlace tie. Bootlace tie. A bootlace tie is a type of Western-style necktie that consists of a long, thin piece of leather or cord that is tied in a simple knot at the throat. The name derives from the fact that the tie resembles a shoelace or bootlace. This type of tie was popularized in the mid-20th century by Hollywood cowboys and has since become a staple accessory in Western wear. Wearing a bootlace tie can add a touch of rugged, vintage charm to an outfit and is often seen at Western-themed events such as rodeos and country music concerts.